Thieves, vandals, and burglars target an American Legion post in Pomona over and over again. And just recently, more than half a dozen rifles were stolen.
Yeah, it's gotten so bad, members have stopped holding meetings or attempting to clean up. KCAL News reporter Jasmine Viel spoke with a frustrated member.
They were stored inside this wall locker, which was double locked.
Javier Hinostroza picked his way around piles of boxes and smashed memorabilia inside the American Legion Post 30 in Pomona Thursday to the cabinet where burglars stole 9 ceremonial guns on December 30th.
So the weapons that we had were M1 Grands. They're a World War II era style weapon.
A security camera captured at least one of the suspects that night jumping over the bar and then grabbing the camera. Pomona police say they are trying to identify that man after they detained 8 people, citing 6 for burglary. No guns, though, have been recovered.
Having to know that there are 9 other weapons out on the street that could cause potential injury to the public.
Hinostroza, a Marine veteran who joined the Legion 3 years ago, says this has been just one of many break-ins since last August, and it's only gotten worse. They can't even use this building anymore.
It's very unsafe.
Just this week, thieves have pulled off the siding, ripped off doors, and trashed this place, leaving this historic building that the Legion has been in for 50 years in the dark.
It was very hard to walk through after the damage that had been done here. Seeing a lot of the historical items just ripped off the shelves and thrown on the floor like they meant nothing to anybody.
Pomona police say in 2023 they responded to 8 incidents here at the American Legion. 5 of those were burglaries, but Javier says those are just the ones they responded to. There were so many more. Look at what just happened here in the last 2 weeks when people broke in, ransacked the bottom floor, ripped apart the ceiling, cutting off all of these copper pipes and stole a bunch of stuff.
It's the justice system for the city of Pomona has been a revolving door. They've been removing the trespassers, and police have told me they're going to go right back out on the street anyway.
Police say they are investigating and have increased patrols. Hinostroza, who has spent hundreds of dollars of his own money trying to fix this place up after every burglary, says it's become too much.
We're planning on selling the building. It's just nothing we can sustain at the moment.
An organization now left without a home and forced out by people in the very community they're trying to serve. In Pomona, Jasmine Viel, KCAL News.